Oh my god.
Do that again, and I will bite your fucking head off.
You should move over, please. Hey, can you move?